So how do you get a woman to make the first move? Meaning, how can you encourage her to ask you for a second meeting? Maybe a drink or a meal together. As all you guys know, being the one who should stick his neck out and make the first move can feel pretty nerve-wracking. Keep watching as I will give you some useful tips on how to stack the odds in your favor and encourage her to make a first move. Maybe even try to ask you out on a date, who knows? Now my first piece of advice is this: pay attention to her body language. Remember the old saying, actions speak louder than words. Only 7% of our daily communication is verbal, while a whopping 55% comes from body language. Look for cues like prolonged eye contact, positive facial expressions, and subtle touches. If she leans in, exposes her neck, or plays with her hair, these are signs she might be interested. Let this be a signal for you to actively increase her feelings for you even further. You can do this with my tip number 2. Communicate with your own body language. Your body language matters just as much as hers. So try to smile, it's a powerful indicator of interest. Also, mirroring each other's actions can create a bond. If she smiles, smile back. Mirroring is a great help in flirting. Her body gestures aren't the only thing you can mirror. The same is true for her conversation. Try to match the tempo in which she speaks. If you notice she uses specific words a lot, then occasionally slip in these same words into your conversation too. Confidence is attractive, so let your body language reflect that. Stand or sit straight and spread your shoulders. Slouching comes across as very weak and insecure. Okay, here is my third piece of advice. Engage in meaningful conversation. While physical flirting is essential, don't underestimate the power of conversation. Good communication skills demonstrate confidence. Men may be action-oriented, but women value meaningful words. Share your opinions, listen intently, and ask open-ended questions. Be sincere in your desire to learn more about her. Remember, a great one-on-one chat can pave the way for deeper connections. My fourth tip is this: start the conversation with a simple hello. Don't overthink things and try to come up with a magic never-fail opener. Keep it simple and just begin with a friendly greeting like hello or hi. Introduce yourself by saying your first name and then engage in light conversation. A simple hello can set the tone for more meaningful interactions. Be approachable and open. Let's continue with my tip number 5. Remember to smile. A warm smile goes a long way. It signals friendliness and openness. When you smile, you invite her to radiate positive energy back. Plus, it's contagious. She'll likely smile back. Then, my tip number 6. Practice positive self-talk. Like I said before, overthinking can hinder your progress. Remind yourself that it's okay to take risks. Positive self-talk boosts your confidence. Breathe deeply, relax, and visualize a positive outcome of your attempt. And lastly, my tip number 7, ask a friend for support. Sometimes a little encouragement from a friend can make all the difference. Share your feelings with someone you trust. They might offer valuable insights or simply cheer you on. Now let me wrap it all up. Encouraging her to make the first move involves you creating an environment of mutual interest and respect. Whether you're a guy or a girl, remember that vulnerability is a strength. So, next time you're drawn to someone, pay attention to the cues. Communicate openly and let the magic unfold. Who knows? She might just surprise you by making that bold first move. Right, that is all I have for you in this video. As you probably know by now, we highly appreciate your feedback and suggestions. Please leave them in the comments section below the video. And take a second to press the like and subscribe buttons. I hope to see you again soon as our next video is released. Bye-bye.